Hello guys, today we are gonna tell you that how to make GTS and Andreas reels in Instagram. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel. So let's go. First of all, you have to go to the Instagram, open it. After it, just go to the where you tag the picture. So after that, what you have to do is open the not front, the other one, and just go to search bar here and search here. What you have to search is Groove Street, GROOV Street. After that, here it comes. Our internet is just slow. Click it, and now you've got it. Now try it. Click the try it button. After it, it will open. After opening it, now you have got it, and this is your filter GTS and Andreas. Now after that, click on Groove Street here and save effect. Now it is saved. Now you can make anywhere. You can make this on your story. You can have this filter, and without any editing, you have just got it. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. I'll bring some more and more tools and best tricks on Instagram. So thank you very much.